I was flailing. I had my harness on, I had my seatbelt on, and yet I was in, I was all over the cab, it seemed like. I was in excruciating pain. As a matter of fact, I really literally thought I was dying at first. My chest was, felt like I couldn't even breathe. My back, my upper back, my lower back, my middle of my back. I mean, I was just in bad shape. So I actually went that evening to the chiropractor. I came in the next day. I came into work. My boss took one look at me and says, "I can't believe you're here. I thought you were going to be gone for 2 weeks."
Yeah, I was in a car accident. I started getting really bad headaches. I got pain in my neck and in my back, and I started going down my arm a little bit. Then I got dizzy a lot and went to the chiropractor and gave me a treatment. Felt a lot better and like my old self again.
Chiropractic got rid of my pain in a hurry.
A minor fender bender isn't so minor when you consider the facts. The force to the neck and head during a rear-end collision can be extremely high. With as little as 3 Gs of force, ligaments in the neck can be forced to stretch beyond their normal limit, causing injury to the neck. And yet it's possible to receive 5 times that amount of force, or 15 Gs, in a collision of just 5 miles an hour. When the spinal ligaments become stretched or torn, they can no longer keep the spinal bones from moving further than is safe. This extra movement in the spine can lead to a pinching of the delicate spinal nerves or even the spinal cord itself, causing inflammation, pain, and interference to the normal nerve supply. Chiropractors are trained to locate and treat these types of injuries. Following whiplash, uncontrolled inflammation can lead to the formation of excess scar tissue, which can cause stiffness and pain. Chiropractors know how to control the inflammation so that your body can heal with the least amount of scar tissue, helping to reduce stiffness and pain. Also, abnormal spinal motion caused by muscle spasms can slow down or prevent normal healing. Gentle chiropractic adjustments can help relax muscle spasms. This balances spinal motion, reduces stress in the injured area, allows for improved healing, and decreases your chance of developing long-term pain and arthritis.
I was recently in a car accident and had a whiplash injury. And I had really bad neck pain to the point where it was difficult to even pick up my kids. So I ended up going to the chiropractor, and after a short time, my neck pain was gone, and I feel great.
After our car accident, my mom and we decided to go to the chiropractor, but I was kind of hesitated. I didn't want to go. I was afraid it could hurt. But after I went, I really liked it. It helped, I felt better, and it was great.
I don't know what it is, but I don't have very good luck on the road. I've been in 5 or 6 different accidents, none of which were my fault. Well, okay, maybe one was my fault. But I've had neck problems, back problems, whiplash, all of that stuff. And so I'm really thankful for chiropractic because the treatment has really helped me heal. And that's really important that I've been able to get back to normal because I'm a really active person, and it's helped me to better play tennis and water ski and snow ski and dance and do all the things that I like to do. So I'm very thankful for chiropractic treatment.
Following a whiplash injury, some people treat their pain with medications. Unfortunately, all drugs have side effects, which can include dizziness, insomnia, sexual dysfunction, ulcers, nausea, vomiting, headaches, and liver damage. Neck collars are commonly prescribed for whiplash injuries, but using them for extended periods can actually prolong your disability. Surgery always carries a risk and should usually be considered as a last resort. Chiropractic care, however, has been shown through research to be an extremely safe and effective treatment method. Chiropractors don't use drugs and don't perform surgery. Chiropractic is one of the only proven remedies for whiplash injuries.
I was in a car accident several years ago, and I never did anything about it. I felt horrible. Recently, I was in another car accident, and my friend insisted that I go see a chiropractor. What a difference. I feel so much better.
After an accident I had, I couldn't sleep at night. I have a really neck and back problems. After a couple of treatments, I feel much better. My pains are gone and I can sleep at night.
Going to the chiropractor was the smartest thing I ever did.
Discover what millions of others have already discovered, that chiropractic is one of the safest, most effective ways to reduce pain and injury from whiplash.
If you've been involved in a car accident recently, call the Whiplash Pros of Chipley Chiropractic today. The doctors of Chipley Chiropractic are highly trained in treating injuries that often get overlooked after a car accident. The doctors use a comprehensive consultation, case history, examination, and special NASA-based surface EMG technology, along with special diagnostic testing like x-rays to find the source of your pain and fully document your injuries. The doctors of Chipley Chiropractic are offering an introductory free NASA-based surface EMG exam and consultation, the first step toward uncovering your spinal problems. Treatment plans will be customized for your individual situation, and the doctors of Chipley Chiropractic are committed to helping you achieve maximum recovery. The goal of Chipley Chiropractic's Whiplash Injury Rehabilitation Program is to help your injured tissues heal, helping your spine return to its normal, healthy state, giving you freedom from pain and improved health now and in the future. If you've been involved in a car accident recently, call Chipley Chiropractic with injury centers in Beckley, Princeton, and Oceana today and get a free NASA-based surface EMG exam and consultation now. Your decision may affect the way you feel for the rest of your life.
Whiplash is a serious injury. Even if your accident seemed minor, you may have sustained injuries that you were unaware of. Arthritis can occur in a relatively short period of time, causing pain and disability. Nearly 40% of whiplash victims end up with arthritis within 5 years of their injury. Surprisingly, the risk of arthritis is increased for accident victims even when there is little or no damage to the car. If you've been in a car accident recently, you may have been injured without knowing it. Some accident victims experience no pain immediately following their accident and assume they weren't injured at all. But even minor accidents cause injuries to soft tissues of the spine. Experts tell us that a good percentage of car accident victims will go days, weeks, or even months before they begin experiencing pain from their injuries, which means it's possible that you won't discover you were even injured until you've already developed arthritis. By then, it may be too late to reverse the damage. Whether your car was damaged or not, and whether you have pain or not, it's important to have your spine checked for soft tissue injuries as soon as possible after an accident. Without treatment, these soft tissue injuries can lead to excessive scar tissue formation and long-term pain, stiffness, arthritis, and disability. Chiropractors are trained to find soft tissue injuries that often get overlooked after a car accident. The goal of chiropractic treatment is to help your body heal correctly, prevent the formation of scar tissue, reduce the incidence of chronic pain and stiffness, and delay or prevent the onset of arthritis. For the best chance at a full recovery from your whiplash injuries, you should begin treatment as soon as possible after an accident. See a chiropractor today to determine if you've sustained soft tissue damage.
I was involved in a car accident. My back, my neck were jerking back and forth. I had a whiplash and my neck was hurting. I could not do my housework because my neck was hurting and my back was hurting. I can't even bend down and mop the floor or do the house chores. Now I've been to chiropractors. I feel a lot better now. I can do my housework. I can bend down, I can mop, and I feel very good.
After my car accident, I had a lot of neck pain and headaches. So I decided to go to the chiropractor. And my neck pain and my headaches went away, and I feel so much better now.
In a typical whiplash accident, when a car is hit from the rear, the car is thrust forward, and the car seat pushes the occupant forward as well. But since the head is not in contact with the seat, the head remains stationary, while the body is pushed forward, causing a shearing action in the neck. Once the head reaches its maximum rearward position, it can then whip forward at a force that's up to 5 times greater than the force of the collision itself. And the use of seatbelts can actually speed up the whipping motion of the neck, causing even more injury. The purpose of spinal ligaments is to protect your spine from moving further than is safe. Whiplash forces the neck through excessive motion it wasn't meant to endure. Spinal nerves and discs can become damaged, and spinal bones can be pulled out of their normal position. causing irritation and injury to delicate spinal nerve roots. This causes inflammation, which can result in pain, swelling, and excessive scar tissue formation. This can cause your neck to become more stiff, more prone to arthritis, and more susceptible to re-injury, even during normal everyday activities.
Fortunately, chiropractors know how to control inflammation after a whiplash injury, so your body can heal with a minimum of scar tissue and the least amount of pain and stiffness.
I had a back and shoulder injury, and after a couple of days I decided that I needed to go see a chiropractor because I was in so much pain. And I started seeing the chiropractor, and after a couple of weeks I was just so amazed on how my shoulder just felt so much better and my back so much better.
I had a car accident and I suffered neck, shoulder, and upper back injuries. I went to the chiropractor and I feel so much better now.
I was in a car accident, got rear-ended, and ended up with some severe neck and shoulder pain. I sought chiropractic help, and within just a few treatments was completely cured, felt 100% better.
After a whiplash injury, the muscles often spasm in an attempt to immobilize the damaged area. But in doing so, these muscle spasms can lock up spinal regions above and below the injured area, causing unbalanced and unstable movement in the most vulnerable area. Normal spinal motion is essential for healthy discs and joints. Without normal spinal movement, the discs and joints can degenerate quickly, increasing the formation of scar tissue, leading to pain, stiffness, and arthritis. Chiropractors are trained to locate these locked areas of the spine. Through gentle chiropractic adjustments, chiropractors can loosen up these locked areas, allowing for a more balanced distribution of spinal movement. This lessens the irritation in the damaged area and allows for improved healing.
I was in a car accident and I was hurt pretty bad. I was taken to the hospital. I had slight concussion, and I went home, woke up the next morning, had a lot of backache and a lot of neck ache, and I went to the chiropractor, and within a couple weeks I was feeling great.
After my car accident, I had a lot of neck pain, back pain, and my vision was really blurry too. And I didn't know what to do, but my husband, luckily, he convinced me to go see a chiropractor, and I'm really glad I did, because after just a few adjustments, my pain was gone.
I would probably be in a body cast if it weren't for chiropractic treatment.
I feel awesome now.
Research indicates that chiropractic is an extremely effective treatment for whiplash injuries. In one study, 93% of whiplash patients improved with chiropractic care. Another study concluded that chiropractic treatment is more effective than medical treatment for treating neck and low back pain caused by auto accidents. Chiropractic has reduced pain and injury for millions of accident victims, many times after other treatment methods have already failed.
I was in an auto accident and injured my neck. It hit us from the rear, and it was like a whiplash, I guess. Anyway, I went to my medical doctor and was treated with medication, etc. Nothing did any good, so I had these pains in my neck and down my arm. Felt like spiders crawling on me. So finally I went to a chiropractor, and within a very short time I had relief and have had ever since.
It has just saved my life.
If you've been involved in a car accident recently, call the Whiplash Pros of Chipley Chiropractic today. The doctors of Chipley Chiropractic are highly trained in treating injuries that often get overlooked after a car accident. The doctors use a comprehensive consultation, case history, examination, and special NASA-based surface EMG technology, along with special diagnostic testing like X-rays to find the source of your pain and fully document your injuries. The doctors of Chipley Chiropractic are offering an introductory free NASA-based surface EMG exam and consultation, the first step toward uncovering your spinal problems. Treatment plans will be customized for your individual situation, and the doctors of Chipley Chiropractic are committed to helping you achieve maximum recovery. The goal of Chipley Chiropractic's Whiplash Injury Rehabilitation Program is to help your injured tissues heal, helping your spine return to its normal, healthy state, giving you freedom from pain and improved health, now and in the future. If you've been involved in a car accident recently, call Chipley Chiropractic with injury centers in Beckley, Princeton, and Oceana today and get a free NASA-based surface EMG exam and consultation now. Your decision may affect the way you feel for the rest of your life.
If you've been in a car accident recently, see a chiropractor. Whiplash injuries can lead to pain, arthritis, and disability. Don't wait until it's too late. Call and make an appointment today.